Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I want to go over, I think, 11 new designs that I have available in my shop now, and you can still save 50% off all stickers at pleasantlyplanned.com. That discount is automatic, so head over to pleasantlyplanned.com and save 50% off all of these new designs. Now, I did print these on the white paper, white matte sticker paper, because that is my preference. I don't have to white out anything. They just look better. The colors pop better on paper or like in my planner. So you'll notice all of these are in the white matte paper. Also, I did not create any boxes to go with these designs, no sticker kits. What I did was, on my website, in the description of each item, you'll notice I've listed colorful boxes and sticker kits that match. So I have so many sticker kits that I pretty much have every color in the rainbow that will match any new design. So this time I just decided to use some of the kits that I've already made. So the first one I have here is called Picture Perfect. We have 3 different sizes for all of my sticker designs. We have the large sheet here, which is about 7 inches by 9.25 inches. It's actually 6.75 by 9.25. The small sheet is half of that, so I get 2 in the small sheet, and then the mini sheet is 1/4 of the big sheet, or half of the small sheet. I hope that makes sense. Even my mini stickers are still very good size stickers. You could decorate a whole spread with just a mini sheet, and so these are only like $1.25 after the 50% off. The one that I'm going to be using, the kit I'm going to be using that matches, is Cloud 9. So these colors match very well. The second one I have is called Fairyland. So these are just really, I wanted to do a lot of, I think I only have like 3 floral designs this time, and then just some really cute decorative stickers. So Fairyland is super cute, little fairies, butterflies, and florals with some vines. Enchanting matches very well, so I'm going to use the Enchanting sticker kit. Then we have Alluring Summer. Infatuation matches this. I have a ton of kits that match Alluring Summer. So I'm going to be using these to plan a spread here soon. My birthday is next week. I will be 44. So I have 2 new birthday designs for you. This is the first one. It's called 90s Birthday. It's a lot of like Lisa Frank type colors. So it reminds me of the 90s when I was, you know, 10, 11, 12, growing into be a teenager. So these bright, fun colors, we've got Sweet Summer and then Lush Tropics. So I'll be using these 3 colorful boxes to plan and decorate a spread sometime in the coming week. We have Ravishing Beauty. These are really pretty, light, dainty colored florals and charming bouquets. Excuse me, charming bouquets matches perfectly. So that's Ravishing Beauty. Then we have Groovy Summer. I love the colors and just like the style of all of these. And this is mostly florals too. I said I have 3 designs, but there's a lot of florals in here with some butterflies randomly. So Groovy Summer, and I'm going to be using Chantel. So my Chantel kit matches the colors in Groovy Summer almost perfectly. So you can see where I have like a lot of kits and boxes that already match most of my new designs. So I decided to give myself a break on making a ton of new kits and boxes and just use what I already have. This is my 2nd birthday. So now with the 90s birthday, the pastel birthday, I also have retro birthday and then bright birthday. So I have 4 birthday designs available in my shop if you're looking for birthday stickers. I'm going to be using pastel daisies. Again, if you'll look down in the description box, say if you click on pastel birthday and you scroll down a little bit, you'll see that I've listed all of the matching boxes, or the boxes that will match. So pastel birthday, and then don't laugh at me. Like I said, I was trying to come up with some cute like decorative type stickers. So I named this one Fur Babies, and then when I was finalizing the actual sticker sheet, I realized there's an elephant on here, and elephants do have a tiny bit of hair. So don't laugh at me. These are not all fur babies, but that's what it's called. Okay, the elephant is the exception. He's not really a fur baby, but they're super adorable. They do have flowers on them, so you can make a super cute spread with the fur babies. And then I'm going to be using both stickers from the Snowy Day collection to match my fur babies. Then we have Butterfly Summer. Butterfly Summer is my favorite, one of my favorite color combinations, pink and yellow. So just really pretty spring, summer type stickers with butterflies, florals, and different type gardening things. And then I'm going to be using Flourishing, both stickers boxes from the Flourishing collection. This is an older style box set. So you'll notice here, where's the other one? Right here. I've changed up my boxes a couple times throughout the last few years, so you'll have to let me know which is your favorite. So like this has you can't really see them, there we go, bullet points, and then we have like some flags, some teardrops, and some squares with different size boxes in this. So this was the second, this was my first box style, this was my second box style, and then I did go to a different box style, but I'm mainly sticking with sticker kits now. So you guys will have to let me know in the comments what you prefer for your boxes. You know, like the older design, like design number 1, design number 2 with the bullets, or the kits. So yeah, Fresh Lemons, which is a recent release, matches this very well too. It has the pink and the yellow colors. Then we have Fairyland 2. So I have 2 little fairy type sticker designs this time. This one is really cute. It's like enchanted little sparklies and things like that on the fairies. Very pretty. So I'm going to use the blue from Baby It's Cold. You can see how well that matches. And then I'm going to be using So Lovely. So you can see the 2 different box styles here. Those are the 2 stickers that I'm going to be using with that. Fairyland 2. And then I have the last one is Under the Sea. This one is perfect. Cute little sea. Perfect for summer, little sea decorations. So we have little scuba divers, some little coral, some sea turtles, fish, starfish, and then a seahorse. I almost forgot what that's called. I'm going to be using both boxes from the Fairy Tale collection, so they match very well with this new design. So again, these new designs are available now on my website. I did send out emails last night. I've gotten a few orders. One thing I have noticed with my new website and email system is that and even with my email in my inbox, whenever I send a test to myself, they're going automatically into my promotions folder or spam folder. So I think you'll need to make sure, if you're not seeing my emails, make sure that you add, it's Casey@pleasantlyplanned.com. Add that to your address book, and then maybe if you can click on, like, if you do find one of my emails that goes into a spam, mark it not spam. That way you won't miss it when it goes automatically in one of those folders. I think it's because this is a new system, so I don't have very many, or I don't have any kind of history, whereas my other email was already established, so it wasn't seen as spam. So it may take me a little while to send out emails in order for email systems to not see that, or to see that I am not spam, if that makes sense. I think it's like an algorithm type thing. So make sure you're checking your spam folders, your promotional folders if you do Gmail, if you're not seeing my emails. And then if you're not signed up for emails, make sure you head over to my website. On that home page down towards the bottom, there's a place where you can sign up for emails. So that is it. Like I said, they're available now, 50% off. So head over to pleasantlyplanned.com and go ahead and get your order placed. I'm going to start filling orders this weekend. I am going to film some Plan With Me, so you will have a Plan With Me video starting Sunday, and then I'll be filling the new orders. All my orders are caught up except for the few that I received with that new email last night. So no backlog of orders. Everything is caught up. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next Plan With Me over the next day or two. I thank y'all so much for watching. I can't wait to see what you order. Let me know down in the comments below if you did place an order, and tell us what you ordered. So love you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.